Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 14 fractions in that exercise 14D. So let's discuss homework answers first. Third question, simplify in that fifth one. 2 1 by 4 division 2 by 7 of 1 1 by 3 into 2 by 3. The answer you will get 3 15 by 16. Next, 8th one 1 by 3 of 60 division 60. The answer is 1 by 3. Then fourth one, simplify in that third one. 2 1 by 3 division 5 1 by 2 plus 3 3 by 4. The answer is 28 by 111. Next fourth one, 3 7 by 8 minus 3 3 by 5. It is given inside bracket. Then division 1 by 2. The answer is 11 by 20. Now next fifth question, simplify in that first one. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. Inside bracket, division 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. That is inside bracket. Okay. So here two brackets are there. You know about BODMAS rule. First, if a bracket is given means you have to solve that first. Okay. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. We know here addition of two fractions and denominators are not same. So what we need to find? LCM of denominator. So LCM of 2 and 3, you know it is 6. Okay, 2 into 3, 6 you will get. So make the denominators equal to this LCM. ഇവിടെ denominators different ആണ്, addition ആണ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. അപ്പോൾ denominators same ആക്കാൻ LCM കാണണം. So LCM of denominators 6 ആണ്. So first fraction 1 by 2. Denominatorനെ LCM നോട് equal ആക്കുമ്പോൾ 2 into 3 you will get 6. So 1 also you multiply by 3. Okay. Now 3. 3 into 2 you will get 6. So 1 also you multiply by 2. Okay. Next bracket 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. So here subtraction of two fractions and denominators not same. Okay. So find the LCM of denominators. LCM of 4 and 6 you will get it 12. Okay. So make the denominators equal to this LCM. First fraction 1 by 4. 4 into 3 you will get 12. So 1 also you multiply by 3. Okay. Next 6 into 2 you will get 12. So 1 also you multiply by 2. Now we can write here 1 by 2. In place of 1 by 2 what we can write? 1 into 3, 3 by 2 into 3, 6. Okay, you can multiply 1 into 3, 3 and 2 into 3, 6. Then plus here 1 into 2, 2 by 3 into 2, 6. Okay, so inside first bracket it will be 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6 division. Now here 1 into 3, 3 by 4 into 3, 12 minus next fraction 1 into 2, 2 by 6 into 2, 12. Okay, 3 by 12 minus 2 by 12. Now you can add this. 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6 it is denominator same. So we can add the numerator. 3 plus 2 it is 5 by 6 division. Now here we can subtract. Denominator is same. So we can subtract the numerator. 3 by 12 minus 2 by 12 it is 3 minus 2 it is 1 by 12. Okay. Now 5 by 6 division 1 by 12. Division of two fractions. So what we do? First write the dividend as it is. Change the division sign to multiplication sign. Replace the divisor by its reciprocal. So reciprocal of 1 by 12 it is 12 by 1. Okay. Now we can multiply this. 5 by 6 into 12 by 1. We can find the product of numerator. That is 5 into 12 by product of denominator. It is 6 into 1. Now 6 and 12 will go in 2. Sorry 6. 12 division 6 it is 2. 6 division 6 it is 1. So what we will get? 5 into 2. 10 by 1 into 1, 1. That is 10 by 1 it is 10. Okay, this is the answer. Second question, 24 by 35 division 6 by 7 plus 5 by 9. It is given inside bracket, then into 3 by 4. Okay, so here bracket is given, so first you have to solve the bracket. Okay, now inside bracket division is coming and plus is coming, addition is coming. So as per BODMAS rule, first you have to do division, then addition. Okay, BODMAS. So first 24 by 35 division 6 by 7. Division of two fractions we know. First write the dividend as it is, 24 by 35. Division sign replace or change it by multiplication sign. Now replace the divisor. This is the divisor. So replace it by its reciprocal. So reciprocal of 6 by 7, it is 7 by 6 plus 5 by 9 into 3 by 4. Okay, now here 24 by 35 into 7 by 6. So 5 and 35. 35 and 7 we can cancel. Both will go in 7. Okay, 7 division 7 it is 1. 35 division 7 it is 5. Okay, similarly 24 and 6. It will go in 6. Okay, both will go in 6. 6 division 6 it is 1. 24 division 6 it is 4. Okay, now multiplying 4 into 1, 4 by 5 into 1, 5. 4 by 5 you will get. 4 by 5 plus 5 by 9. Inside bracket it will be this 4 by 5 plus 5 by 9 into 3 by 4. Okay. Now we need to solve this 4 by 5 plus 5 by 9 addition of two fractions. Here denominators are not same, so what to do? LCM of denominators, LCM of 5 and 9 you need to find. So LCM of 5 and 9 it will be 5 into 9, 45. 5 and 9 are co-primes. That's why LCM will be 5 into 9, 45. So making the denominator equal to LCM, what we will get? 5 into 9 you will get 49. So numerator also you multiply by 9. Don't forget to do this. If you are multiplying the denominator by a number, then numerator also you should multiply by the same number. Okay, so 4 into 9 by 5 into 9 you will get. Now here 9 into 5 you will get 45. So 5 also you multiply by 5. Okay, so what we will get? 4 into 9, it is 36 by 5 into 9, it is 45 plus here 5 into 5, it is 25 by 9 into 5, 45. Okay, inside bracket it will be 36 by 45 plus 25 by 45. Now here into 3 by 4 is there, so that also you have to write into 3 by 4. Now you can add. Denominator is same, so you can add the numerator. 36 plus 25, it will be 61. Okay, 61 by 45 into 3 by 4. Now 61 by 45 into 3 by 4. Multiplication of two fractions. So product of numerator by product of denominator. That is 61 into 3 by 45 into 4. Okay. Now 3 and 45 will go in 3. 3 division 3 it is 1. 45 division 3 it is 15. So what you will get? 61 into 1, 61 by 15 into 4 it is 60. Okay. Now 61 you can divide by 60. So what you will get? 1 by 60. Okay. On division dividing 61 by 60, you will get 1 as quotient and 1 as remainder. So converting 61 by 60 to mixed fraction, you will get, first write the quotient 1, then remainder by divisor. So 1 by 60. Okay, so 1 by 60 is the answer. Third question, 3 by 4 of 6 1 by 8 minus 2 by 3 of 2 1 by 4. So here of is coming. So that you need to do first as per BODMAS rule. After bracket you have to solve of. So here no bracket, so first solve of. Okay, then only subtraction. So 3 by 4 of 6 1 by 8 means 3 by 4 of 6 1 by 8 on converting to improper fraction, what you will get? 8 into 6 48. 48 plus 1 49 by 8 minus 2 by 3 of 2 1 by 4. So on converting to improper fraction, 4 into 2 8, 8 plus 1 9 by 4. Okay. So 3 by 4 of 49 by 8 means 3 by 4 into 49 by 8 minus 2 by 3 of 9 by 4 means 2 by 3 into 9 by 4. Okay. Now multiplication you can do. 3 into 49. Product of numerator by product of denominator. So 3 into 49 by 4 into 8 minus here 2 into 9 by 3 into 4. So 3 into 49 it is 147 by 4 into 8 32 minus here 4 and 2 you can cancel. It will go in 2. 2 division 2 it is 1. 4 division 2 it is 2. Okay, similarly 9 and 3 it will go in 3. So 9 division 3 it is 3. 3 division 3 1. Okay, so what you will get? 1 into 3 3 by 1 into 2 2. Okay, now here subtraction of two fractions, 147 by 32 minus 3 by 2 and denominator different. Okay, so what we need to find? LCM of denominator. LCM of 32 and 2 will be 32. Okay, so make the denominator equal to this LCM. Here denominator is equal to the LCM, so no need to change this fraction. 147 by 32 itself you can write. Next 3 by 2. 2 into 16 you will get 36. So 3 also you multiply by 16. So what you will get? 3 into 16 it is 48. 48 by 32 you will get. Okay. In place of 3 by 2 you can write 48 by 32. So you will get 147 by 32 minus 48 by 32. Here denominators are equal, so you can subtract the numerator. So 147 minus 48. What you will get here? 7. 3 13 here 0. 8 to 17 it is 9. 4 to 13 is also 9. So it will be, the answer will be 147 minus 48, 99 by 32. Now you can divide 99 by 32. This is proper fraction. So 99 by 32. 32 into 3, it is 96. So remainder you will get 3. Okay, so on converting 99 by 32 to mixed fraction, what you will get? First write the quotient 3, then remainder by divisor. So 3 by 32. So this is the answer, 3 by 32. Fourth question, 7 by 30 of 1 by 3 plus 7 by 15. That is inside bracket. Division 5 by 6 minus 3 by 5. That is also inside bracket. Okay, so here brackets are coming. 2 brackets are coming. So first solve that 2 brackets. Okay, so first 1 by 3 plus 7 by 15 you have to do. And also 5 by 6 minus 3 by 5. Okay, so 7 by 30 of here 1 by 3 plus 7 by 15. Addition of two fractions and denominator not same. So LCM of 3 and 15. LCM of denominator it is 15. LCM of 3 and 15 it is 15. So first fraction 1 by 3. 3 into 5 you will get 15. So 1 also you multiply by 5. Okay. So next fraction 7 by 15. Here denominator and LCM is the same. So no need to change that fraction. So what will be inside first bracket? 1 into 5. 5 by 15 plus 7 by 15. Division. Now 5 by 6 minus 3 by 5. Here subtraction of two fractions and denominator not same. So find the LCM of denominator, that is 6 and 5, that it will be 30. 6 into 5, 30. Okay. So first fraction 5 by 6. 6 into 5 you will get 30. So 5 also you multiply by 5. Okay. Next fraction 3 by 5. 5 into 6 you will get 30. So 3 also you multiply by 6. So what you will get? 5 into 5, 25 by 6 into 5, 30, minus 3 into 6, 18 by 5 into 6, 30. Okay, 25 by 30 minus 18 by 30 will be in the second bracket. So 7 by 30 of 5 by 15 plus 7 by 15 you can add because denominators are same. So 5 plus 7, numerators, adding the numerator you will get 12 by 15 division 25 by 30 minus 18 by 30 you can subtract. So 25 minus 18 it is 7. 7 by 30. Okay. Now here off is coming, then division is coming. So what you have to do first? Off. Okay. So 7 by 30 off you can replace by multiplication. Then 12 by 15 division 7 by 30. Okay. Now here we need to do this first. 7 by 30 into 12 by 50. Okay. So product of numerator by product of denominator. So you will get 7 into 12 by 30 into 15 division 7 by 30. Okay. Now here 12 and 30. It will go in 6. So 12 division 6 it is 2. 30 division 6 it is 5. Okay. So 7 into 2, 14 by 5 into 15 it is 75. 14 by 75 division 7 by 30. Okay. So division of two fractions, 14 by 75 division 7 by 30. What to do? First write the dividend. 14 by 75. Division sign, change it to multiplication sign. Replace the divisor by its reciprocal. So reciprocal of 7 by 30 it is 30 by 7. Okay. So again multiplication of two fractions. So product of numerator 14 into 30 by product of denominator 75 into 7. Okay. Now here 14 and 7 will go in 7. 14 division 7 it is 2. 7 division 7 1. Okay. Now 30 and 75 will go in 15. Okay. 30 division 15 it is 2. 75 division 15 it is 5. Okay. So what you will get? 2 into 2. 4 by 5 into 1, 5. So 4 by 5 is the answer. Sixth one, 4, 5 by 7. Now inside bracket it is given 3, 1 by 8 division 11 by 12. Okay. So here you can see one number is given outside bracket and no sign is given. Okay. So what to do is multiplication. If number is given like this, 4, 5 by 7, then bracket 3, 1 by 8 division 11 by 12 means 4, 5 by 7 into it is multiplication 3, 1 by 8 division 11 by 12. Okay. So 4, 5 by 7 on converting to mixed improper fraction, what you will get? 7 into 4, 28 plus 5 is 33 by 7. Now inside bracket 3, 1 by 8. 8 into 3, 24, 24 plus 1, 25 by 8, division 11 by 12. Okay. So here bracket is given. So first you have to solve bracket. So 33 by 7. 25 division by 8 division 11 by 12. So division of two fraction. First write the dividend, then division sign, change it to multiplication sign. Replace the divisor by its reciprocal. Reciprocal of 11 by 12, it is 12 by 11. Okay. Now 25 by 8 into 12 by 11 you have to do. So the next step will be 33 by 7 into product of numerator, that is 25 into 12 by product of denominator, it is 8 into 11. Okay, now 12 and 8 will go in 4. 12 division 4, it is 3. 8 division 4, it is 2. Okay, so what you will get, 33 by 7. Now inside bracket it is 25 into 3, 75 by 2 into 11, it is 22. This means what? 33 by 7 into 75 by 22. Okay, if nothing is given, a number is given outside bracket means it is multiplication. Okay, so 33 by 7 into 75 by 22 you have to do. 33 and 22 will go in 11. 33 division 11 it is 3. 22 division 11 it is 2. Okay, so 75 into 3 by 7 into 2. Multiplication of two fractions. 3 into 75 by 7 into 2. Now 3 into 75 it is 225 by 7 into 2 it is 40. So 225 you can divide by 14. You will get 16 as a quotient and 1 as remainder. So converting this to mixed fraction, what you will get? First write the quotient, that is 16. Then remainder by divisor. So 1 by 14. 16 1 by 14 is the answer. 8th question, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. 3 by 4 minus 4 by 5 division. 1 by 2 minus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 7. Here 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, no symbol is given. Then another bracket is given, 3 by 4 minus 4 by 5. What does this mean? It is multiplication. Okay, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 into 3 by 4 minus 4 by 5 division 1 by 2 minus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 7. Now first we have to solve brackets. 3 brackets are there, so solve 3 brackets separately. Okay, so first bracket, subtraction, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 and denominators not same. So what is the LCM of denominator? 2 and 3 here. It is 6. Okay. So making the denominators equal to LCM. What you will get? 2 into 3. You will get 6. So 1 also you multiply by 3. 3 into 2 you will get 6. So 1 also you multiply by 2. Okay. Next bracket, 3 by 4 minus 4 by 5. Here LCM it is. LCM of 4 and 5 it is 20. Okay. 4 into 5 you will get 20. So making the denominators equal to LCM, what you will get? 4 into 5 it is 20. So 3 also you multiply by 5. Here 5 into 4 equal to 20. So 4 also you multiply by 4. Okay. Next bracket, 1 by 2 minus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 7. LCM of denominators 2, 5 and 7 it is 2 into 5 into 7, 70. Okay. So first fraction, 1 by 2. 2 into 35 you will get 70. So 1 also you multiply by 35. Make the denominators equal to LCM. Okay. Now 5 into 14 it is 70. So 2 also you multiply by 14. Now 1 by 7. 7 into 10 you will get 70. 1 also you multiply by 10. Okay. Now here you can multiply and write the numbers. 1 into 3. 3 by 2 into 3. 6. Minus 1 into 2. 2 by 3 into 2. 6. 3 by 6 minus 2 by 6 will be in the first bracket. Now in the second bracket, 3 into 5, 15 by 4 into 5, 20. Minus 4 into 4, 16 by 5 into 4, 20. Then division. Third bracket, 1 into 35, 35 by 2 into 35, 70. Minus 2 into 14, 28 by 5 into 14, 70 plus 1 into 10, 10 by 7 into 10, 70. Okay. So here denominators are same. Inside each bracket denominators are same. So you can subtract or add. So 3 by 6 minus 2 by 6, it is 3 minus 2, it is 1 by 6. You can subtract the numerator. Okay, here in place you can remove bracket and put multiplication sign. Okay, now 15 by 20 minus 16 by 20. So 15 minus 16, it is minus 1 by 20. Division. Next 35 by 70 minus 28 by 70 plus 10 by 70. So 35 minus 28, it is 7. 7 plus 10, 17 by 70. Okay, now we have to solve these 1 by 6 into minus 1 by 20 division 17 by 70. You can solve these two 1 by 6 into minus 1 by 20 first. Okay, so my 1 into minus 1, product of numerator by product of denominator. 1 into minus 1, it is minus 1 by 6 into 20, it is 120. Division 17 by 70. Okay, so division of two fractions. So first write the dividend, then division sign, change it to multiplication sign. Next divisor, take the reciprocal of divisor. So 70 by 70. Okay, now 70 and 120 will go in 10. Here it will be 7, here it will be 12. Now minus 1 into 7. It is minus 7 by 12 into 17, it is 204. So minus 7 by 204 is the answer. 11th one, 1 by 2 of 40 plus 1 3 by 4 of 2, 2 by 9 plus 2 by 5, 2 1 by 5 into 0. So here off is coming. So first solve that. 1 by 2 of 40 means 1 by 2 into 40 plus 1 3 by 4 of 2, 2 by 9. First convert this to improper fraction. So 4 into 1, 4, 4 plus 3, 7 by 4 of you can replace by multiplication sign. Then 2, 2 by 9. 9 into 2, 18, 18 plus 2, 20 by 9. Plus 2, 1 by 5 into 0. Any number on multiplying by 0, it is 0. So you can put 0 here. Okay. Now 1 by 2 into 40. 40 and 2 will go in 2. 2 division 2, 1. 40 division 2, 20. Okay, so 1 by 1 into 20, it is 20. Okay, 20 plus. Now 7 by 4 into 20 by 9 you can solve. 4 and 20 will go in 4. 4 division 4, 1. 20 division 4, 5. So 7 into 5, 35 by 1 into 9, 9. Plus 0, no need to write. Okay. So 20 plus 35 by 9. 20 means it is 20 by 1. Addition of two fraction and denominators not same. So make the denominator equal. So LCM of denominator here it is 9. So 1 into 9 you will get 9. 20 also you multiply by 9. So what you will get? 20 into 9. It is 180 by 1 into 9. 9. Okay, so 180 by 9 plus, now second fraction it is 35 by 9. Denominator and LCM it is same. So you can write that fraction itself. Okay, now 180 by 9 plus 35 by 9 you can add. 180 plus 35 by 9. 180 plus 35 it is 215. So 215 by 9. Now you can divide 215 by 9. 9 into 2, 18, 35. 9 into 4, sorry 3, 27. Here 8 you will get. So converting 215 by 9 to mixed fraction. First write the quotient, that is 23. Then remainder by divisor, that is 8 by 9. So 23, 8 by 9 is the answer. Exercise 14D, remaining problems of question 5 you can do as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.